Hey, what's up everyone? These are the XVX Matcha Green PBT Keycaps. I'm gonna unbox them and pop them on this Red Dragon K717. That's already a good sounding keyboard. So here's the box. Pretty standard little keycap set, decently affordable. There you go. Those look sweet right off the rip. Looks like you got two trays here. Right, I'm gonna get these out of the way. And what do you get? Oh, you might have actually 3 trays. Holy smokes! Yeah, you got 3 trays. Look at that. Get that other layer, and then you get a little keycap holder right there. I'm gonna use. I just need 2 trays because it's a 60%er. So yeah, let's pop it on. Let's get going. All right, so that's it. Just wrapped it up. I think they look pretty sweet. Obviously, it's a blue keyboard case. I'd probably just put on a white one if I was to do this again. But I think the matcha green looks so sweet, especially in this kind of lighting I have. It's a really nice green color. They feel really smooth with these switches. The profile is definitely interesting, kind of flat profile, which is the draw of these. I prefer more of the kind of standard ones where the top row is higher, but I really like the feel. It feels really nice so far, just kind of resting in these. I'm gonna go play some games with them and see how they are, get a better sense of them, and then we'll be right back. So I've been using these and playing with these for a few days now, and they're actually really solid. So right off the bat, I don't think I'd use these as gaming keycaps. Obviously I had some pretty good clips there, but the profile is MOA, I believe it's called. So it's really flat, which makes it look really cool. I will admit, really cool, but I just don't like how you can't reach to the top here to kind of hit these number keys. So that's just my personal opinion, but if I was using this for anything else besides gaming, I think this is definitely something you could run. Very legible font, so very solid, kind of nice bold kind of characters. Pretty cool enter here, gives a little character. Besides the main legend, I think it's a little actually odd, these bottom keys. They're all kind of different sizes and different sort of weights of the font, so I think that's just a little bit odd. Not too big of a thing, it's just something you kind of have to be looking out for, but just, yeah, something to note. But besides that, I really like how your fingertips just can rest in these really gently. They're very soft to the touch, great for typing. Let's run a typing test real quick. So yeah, like I said, very easy to type with. They sound great, especially if you have a good sounding keyboard. Like this is just a $20 keyboard. This is a Red Dragon K717, but it sounds great. These keycaps definitely make it sound good as well. They're durable PBT keycaps, so I really can't have anything else to mention. I already mentioned I probably wouldn't game with these, but it's something you can definitely do. So I hope this helps. Really cool looking keyboard set. Thanks for watching. Take care.